Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to build sales funnels with AI. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, go in the description section to sign up for your free trial of ClickFunnels today. And also, too, there's some really awesome and great resources in the description section as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a funnel using AI. And so we're going to go over here to the top right corner inside my demo ClickFunnels account, and we're going to click on Smart Funnel Builder. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to identify what the funnel type is. Do we want an opt-in funnel, basically a lead or squeeze funnel, which is very simple, it's very powerful, and you could build it. Basically, it's two phases. Someone comes in, they put in their contact, and then you give them something of value. Maybe an application funnel or a webinar funnel. There's also summit, bridge, and video series funnels as well. And so we're going to actually go to webinar funnel. And the reason why I want to do a webinar funnel is because if you were at Funnel Hacking Live 10 in Las Vegas in February 2025, they talked about the power of having a one-to-many presentation. And to be able to present or do this one-to-many presentation, you use a webinar funnel. So if we read a little bit about it, it says, the webinar funnel gives the entrepreneur more time to close potential customers at a higher price point, as most webinars are at least 1 hour long, and gives more time to address the false beliefs of customers. Webinar funnels are an event and are broken into two phases. During the first phase, visitors register for a seat to attend and hear success stories to increase curiosity. During the second phase, visitors attend the live webinar and watch replays while the window to buy begins to close, creating true scarcity and urgency. And so we're going to click this one, and then we're going to click next. Now we have the color and style section. So this is where we're going to pick our main brand color, and then it'll generate a color palette to complement it. So if we click on this one right here, maybe we want like a darker, darker blue, and then it's generating its color palette. Now, let's say I don't necessarily like this color. Maybe we want, this one be more like a green right here. We can make those edits, and then we could click regenerate, and it'll keep regenerating, or you could just regenerate it as many times as you like. So maybe this one, we want more of kind of like a darker, click regenerate. This one looks good for right now. Now under style, you have three different options. You could either choose blocky, embroidered, colorful, primary color, and rounded, minimal, and rounded. So let's actually have it be rounded, and then we could click next. Now we're at the images section. So we're going to choose one of these three options: isometric 3D, flat illustration, and stock photo. So let's say we want stock photo, and click next. Okay, now with this one right here, this is the copy. And so over here on the right-hand side, this is where it's going to spit out or generate some example copy. So you could click this regenerate to regenerate it. But over here on the right-hand side, this is where we're able to add details about yourself and also your offer. And so what I'm going to put here is I'm going to say, I am a funnel builder who specializes in building sales funnels for local service businesses. So my goal is to help businesses generate more leads, book more appointments, and ultimately grow their businesses. Maybe business. Okay. So it's going to take all the information I provide, and it's going to give me an example copy. So it says, unlock your business's potential with a customized sales funnel, transform local service leads into loyal customers, and watch your appointments soar. So this is an example to convey the intended tone of the forthcoming copy. Down here below, this is where we choose the tone, whether it's neutral, playful, professional, friendly, informative, or quirky. So I'm going to choose professional, let it regenerate. So this one says, unlock the power of high converting sales funnels for your local service business. Transform your leads into loyal customers with expertly crafted funnels that drive appointments and accelerate growth. So that looks pretty awesome. So we're going to go down here and we're going to click create. And then we just wait for it to build our sales funnel. So it says, our AI engine is hard at work crafting your funnel, refining your copy, and designing your site elements. Please bear with us as this process typically takes about 5 minutes. And we didn't actually really wait 5 minutes. I believe it was pretty, like, almost less than a minute. So we're going to click customize now. And then just looking right here, so this is our AI webinar funnel. And so this is the funnel editor. So currently we have the perfect webinar squeeze page. So this is where people register. We have the webinar thank you page. So that's where they get directed after they opt in. And then we have the broadcast page, the order form, and then the thank you for the order form. So if we just open up one of them, let's actually click edit. Let's see how it looks. So obviously with AI, it helps speed up the process in terms of building. So for right here, what's really nice is, with building funnels, you always have to kind of tweak where specific elements are at. So like this paragraph elements, the size and everything. So this is a really awesome way to leverage AI in building the structure of your funnel. And what's super nice with here, like we saw in the editor, it gave us the webinar squeeze page, the thank you page, the broadcast page, the order form, and the thank you page to the order form. So it kind of built out these pages super quick, and then we could go in here and just adjust the copy based on maybe we need to change or tweak something so it's more of our tone, or maybe we just need to update it based off of the webinar or what we do. But I mean, what's super nice is like everything looks pretty good, just like looking at it in terms of the elements, the size of the elements, the copy looks generally good. I would probably still tweak it a little bit, or maybe just enough so it could kind of reflect myself and the offer that I'm trying to provide. But obviously you need to go in there and update it. So like right here, this is typically where your logo would be. You need to update here, put in your address or your company's address and your company's name. So I mean, there's like small things. So I would say like the pro is it definitely helps in terms of building the sales funnel quicker, in terms of like all the different elements and sections and paragraphs and just the overall copy as well. But there's definitely things that you would want to go in here and tweak, like updating the images, updating copy. If you go to the order form, you'll definitely want to go and go back. You'll definitely want to go here and add your product. So there's a few things that you'll definitely want to do just to make sure everything looks good, make sure there's a final review. But with that smart funnel builder feature, it definitely helps expedite building this out. So if you're not super techy, this is probably a good option to start, and then you could just make those changes and updates along the way. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Feel free to book a call in the description or comment below in this video, and I'd love to help you out or answer any questions that you have.